jungle loud and free. Lion roars so wild with glee. Arr. Elephant stomps with a big gray nose, swinging his trunk wherever he goes. Animals, animals, big and small, let's clap our hands and name them all. Jet, laugh, sing along, learn their sounds with this fun song. Monkeys jumping up so high, parrots talking in the sky. Zebra stripes are black and white,